Bert and Kip, Episode 10, Going to the Beach. But I am going to the beach, said Kip. Want to come with me? Of course, said Bert. I love the beach. I can't wait to get there, said Bert. I am going to play in the water. I am not going to play, said Kip. I have work to do. Do you have work to do? asked Bert. Yes, said Kip. I am going to build a boat. You are going to build a boat? asked Bert. Are you going sailing? No, said Kip. We are going sailing on the ocean, asked Bert. Yes, said Kip. On the ocean, we're going to have an adventure. I am not sure about this, said Bert. Do you know how to build a boat? asked Bert. I think so, said Kip. How hard can it be?